In this lesson, we are going to be adding a footer to our website. And we're going to make, we can make a body so that we know where that is too, so we can separate the two if that makes it easier. And from there, we'll just simply add footer. Inside of our footer, we are going to want to have a few things. So the first thing we might want is a link to our project or our code that we worked on. So we can add a link to our GitHub. So to do this, we could do div class, and we could set that equal to GitHub. We'll close that div. I need to open the div as well. So now that we have that, we're also going to want a closing div. Inside of our GitHub, we're going to, we'll just say we'll have we'll name it GitHub. We'll want to properly capitalize that though. And then we can have a key tag with a link. So we'll say ahref equals, and to do a GitHub link, you are going to want to go to github.com. I'm going to go to my profile, and this is my GitHub profile. That there, and then I'm going to close it, and I'm going to label this my GitHub. You can get an idea of what it might look like for you if you haven't added any styling. So this is what it will look like. A link to the GitHub, plain and simple. We just simply make another div. So we could say div class equals, and we could call this my information. We could close that. Inside, we could say something like, we'll make a paragraph tag. We could say something like social media. Then we could make a line break. So we could do just a simple line break. And then from there, then we could add in social media icons. All right, now I've added in some social media icons. I've added in a one for Facebook, one for Instagram, and one for Twitter. And I am going to now make another folder and just call it images so that we can store all of our images inside of this folder and keep our files easy to navigate. So I'm going to go to images, and then I'm going to go to Facebook and save. When I go to our website,